Here you go. So today we're just going to do a bit of riding, sort out the track, have a look at the on-off over there, see whether I want to hit it or not. I'll say I wouldn't, but yeah.
Yeah, make sure to watch till the end of the video, find out if he actually builds up the balls to do it, or if we
Find out if I end up in hospital.
Yeah.
That's the fucking way it'll go.
Hospital vlog.
Fuck's sake.
Right, yeah. So,
Cheery.
yeah. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff so that Caleb doesn't run away. And we'll get straight into it.
You got to put that in too. Hold on. Doesn't look steep, but the fuck does.
Caleb's gonna hit this one off for the first time. He's bloody scared. I'm bloody scared. And he's gonna go. Yeah. So he's just gonna have a few passes and just see how far and how fast he needs to go. A wee bit more.
Needs a bigger lip. Needs a bigger lip.
Now, if you give it a wee bit more.
I'm not giving it a height though. Needs a bigger lip.
No, that was pretty much the right height. That's more. Man, that bike's fun with that new tyre on it though. Coming around behind the berm this time. You want to see the video?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, so we'll give Caleb a wee look at the video and then we'll hit it again. Right, so I'm pretty sure he's going for another test jump and then we'll have another look and how do we look at what he needs to do. Didn't quite see it myself, but I think it was pretty close. You guys will know.
I'm pretty sure around that one.
Huh? Yeah, I don't know, we'll have another look at it and then we'll get back to this once we've done that.
We're just chucking dirt down, sloping her up a bit more.
Yeah, it wasn't loading Caleb up enough, so we'll fix that problem and then we'll hit it a bit more and then we'll send it.
If the job was getting done a bit better, Tom.
Oh, tell me about it.
It'll be a lot better.
This tractor doesn't do it as good as the other one, I'll tell you that.
Fucking hell, this is just about knocking me out.
Oh, coming down.
Yep, fucking. You know, she's pretty fucking fast, ain't I? Yep, just gonna pick up a bucket load of dirt. Yep, take her all the way over there. You know, yep. Yep, fucking sheepdog helmet, yep. Yep, mate, just got 1K an hour, yep. Header and fucking gear. Useless motherfucker.
Ow! That wasn't cool.
It fucking was. Yep, nah, fucking out once he gets on the fucking road again. Fuck, I gotta start talking like that, eh?
Yep, I'm not editing it.
Retard nation. You meant to go in the middle. On the top. Dumbass.
Swap seats now. Oh, Farmer Brown Caleb's in the driver's seat. So yeah, we're just getting through this now, getting it all nice and perfect, and then we'll roll it, and then Caleb will full fucking send.
It's not even fucking straight.
That's because you didn't make it straight.
I didn't make this jump.
It's so off.
You made the fucking jump, I didn't.
Nah, it'll be fine. It's not even that bad. Yeah, we'll just grab a bit more dirt from here and then we'll update this once it's done.
Yep. Just update you when I'm done. Thank you.
I'm just going to keep working on that. I'm going to start rolling it with the four-wheeler. So we'll get a wee time lapse of that and then we'll do whatever we're going to do. Right, we've gone away, had some smoko, fixed up that jump a bit. Feeling good! What do you think?
Good work, it's a bit crooked. Like, you know for a fact that you're going over here. Crooked. By the way you look and you're coming on this jump.
Just hit that jump at a bit of an angle.
You're in my shoes, you'll be saying what I'm saying. Holy fucking shit. I'm saying the ass of that fucking.
Your nuts a bit sore there, mate. Right, we'll let him walk that off and then we'll go have a yarn to him. Right, Caleb's just going to hit the tabletop a few times. Nice, easy jump. Just boost him up a bit because like the other jump is bloody scary. But yeah, we'll just let him sort himself out on this one and then I reckon we'll get a full send from him. Don't case it, it's a bitch of a thing to case.
Get the fuck out of that.
It's a bitch of a jump to case.
I don't know how I done it. It hurt my wrist though.
Well, sadly we've come to the decision that Caleb's not going to jump the table, the on-off. That's it.
Yeah.
Just
Gut's telling me no.
you always listen to your gut. So we're going to end up just pushing it together into a tabletop, we reckon, because neither of us are dumb enough to hit it, especially not on that, because it's just an X. But
Get my bike going.
yeah, you need to get that going. So
My bike's an actual race bike is set up for that shit.
yeah. So yeah, we'll get rid of that and then yeah, we'll have a lot more fun. Both of us will be able to actually hit it. Right, so you found out that Caleb didn't hit the jump, which is sad, but better that he's here than in hospital.
Clumped in balls on the fucking gas tank.
So, hope you had fun watching this. We had fun just playing around on the bike, a bit more relaxed. And yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff for more.